In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete conversion balance in Xero. Before we jump in, a quick note on what we're changing. A conversion balance is the opening balance you entered when you first moved to Xero, set as at your conversion date. Zeroing it out effectively removes that opening figure. Make sure this is what you intend to do, as it can affect your retained earnings and how historical reports look. If you're unsure, consider taking a screenshot of the current figures or exporting a trial balance first so you have a reference. Start by logging into your Xero account and confirming you're in the correct organization. It's important to be in the right file, especially if you manage multiple entities. You'll also need the right level of access, typically an advisor role or a user who can manage accounting settings. From the main dashboard, look to the top navigation and click Accounting. This is the gateway to everything we'll need today, and it's where you manage your ledgers, reports, and key configuration. Next, select Accounting Settings. In some layouts, this section groups together advanced options that affect your organization's setup. We're heading here because conversion balances are controlled at the accounting configuration level rather than within day-to-day transactions. Inside Accounting Settings, open Conversion Balances. This page summarizes the opening balances that were brought into Xero as at your conversion date. If you've been troubleshooting opening balances, retained earnings, or historical discrepancies, this is usually the place to look. Now, locate the balance you want to remove and change the amount to Xero. If you see separate debit and credit fields, be sure you're updating the correct side so the net effect is zero. In multi-currency organizations, verify you're editing the right currency row. Take a moment to review the conversion date shown on the page. Your change will apply as of that date. If you receive a warning about a locked period or user permissions, you may need to coordinate with your accountant or organization admin before proceeding. Once you've set the relevant balance to Xero, click Save. Xero will process the update and, in most cases, you'll see a confirmation that your changes were saved. From here, your conversion balance is effectively cleared. If you want to double-check the outcome, you can review your trial balance or balance sheet as at the conversion date to confirm the opening figure no longer appears, and that retained earnings now reflect the change. That's it. You've successfully deleted a conversion balance in Xero. Proceed carefully with historical figures, and when in doubt, consult your accountant to ensure your reports remain accurate.